Peterbilt trucks must be familiar to both vehicle enthusiasts and movie buffs. The Peterbilt 281 and 351 were featured in the movie Jewel, and even today the company's doing quite well. More than 80 years of experience is no joke. So, tuning fans often take an interest in these American trucks, and one such project is on the screen right now. The team offers an old-school look at the new Peterbilt 389 and share the truck's characteristics. A 565 horsepower Cummins engine, an 18-speed transmission, Alcoa rims combined with Bridgestone tires, leather seats, dark-colored interior, 16 gauges and 26 switches, plus a smart nav unit with all the bells and whistles. The truck was made to order in a single copy, but the team is willing to make something similar. Anyone interested is invited to visit the website or make a phone call. Another Peterbilt that looked cool even before the tuning. In the US, about 50% of highway transportation is done by private drivers, so there's a whole culture of truckers and, accordingly, impressive trucks. On the screen is the 389 again. It combines a classic American style and modern technology, and has become even more interesting after the upgrade. In particular, the crew repainted it in military style, improved the insulation, and added an audio system with a subwoofer, rosewood panels, and plenty of leather. The engine is a 565 horsepower Cummins. Saw this truck a couple of days ago when I was getting gas. Still thrilled, one user wrote. Did you like it?